Hey, I'm here to answer a question about one of the membership settings. I know it can be kind of crazy to wrap your mind around. So real quick, we have a membership that is activated when this particular product is purchased, which is a subscription. And so as long as they have a subscription, they have access to this membership. This plugin gives you two different options. It gives you options to restrict content. That's basically anything that's on your website that is not a specific product. And then you can also restrict products. In this case, this particular client does not need to restrict any products. That's as if you were, tying a set of products to buying a membership for those products or buying a membership to purchase a product. She's not doing that. We're just talking about restricting content. So this is how you tell the membership program specifically which content you want to only be seen by members. In this case, she has a custom post type we set up that we call tutorials. This is going to apply to all tutorials. You'll notice that I didn't specify any title. Leave blank to apply to all. So this is applying to every single tutorial. Anytime she adds a new tutorial, it is accessible to members and only members. And it's accessible immediately. You could specify a time if you want. In this case, she's keeping it pretty simple. In addition, she has a specific page called the membership page that's showing all the tutorials. It makes it easier for the members to go to the specific tutorial they need. So we restricted just this page, so no one else can even see the membership page. If she had another page that she wanted to do, maybe just information about yours, then you can come down here and search for your page, for your specific page. You could also restrict a blog post. Now you'll see some other stuff here like a template and global FAQ. You don't need to worry about that all. You don't need to restrict those. And if you're done with one, you could just click delete selected. So these are restricted unless you have a subscription. And when you subscribe, it unlocks all of this content here. If you wanted to have different subscriptions, like perhaps you wanted them to be able to only buy a specific tutorial, you could have one membership that's applied to this tutorial and a membership that's applied to another. Let me know your questions.